다리 데 니们那个人的写这就是的老种刺激嘛，这些冷着汤吧，刚当别给些呢，这些冷着汤不都是生给这呗，老种刺激嘛，第一套呢，嘛都需要。
And so the topic for these 2 days of teachings are the 8 verses of training the mind. So these are 8 verses that were written by the great Kadampa spiritual master Langri Tampa Dorje Sangye.
Lojong Sadi Kashre Kadam Begi Yamlen and the Keshim Shadi Hardest.
Mind training is an important practice of the Kadampa school.
The mind Sadi Kashre Lojong Sadi Lodi so Chenjuk Sem Joya. That is what Chadi. The Chenjuk Sem Joya Sadilia and Chenjuk Sem Sadi Kashwata Mitsanglo Tamboneji Chenjuk Sem Tegar Chenjuk Sem Gomalia Chaji Chasam Yabchi. The Indusana and Chenjuk Sem Sadi Jimbe Shindo. And a Kashwe Loy Jimba Jimbe Shindo Be Yage Tangne and Chenjuk Sem Kashwe Jonga. That in the Lojong in Yamlen Sadi, so Chenjuk Sem Jonga Chad use.
And so when we say mind, we primarily mean the bodhicitta. And so it is primarily training in bodhicitta. Bodhicitta is not something that everyone is immediately, directly ready to practice and ready to have. Instead, we need to train in it gradually and gradually improve it. And so this is the training in bodhicitta. And so when we say mind training, we primarily mean the training in bodhicitta.
That means you that Tiba Chijun Sadi, that much time it Mambu Kunyare. That Tiba Chijun Sadi, that so the and then Kashweda Tiba Sadi machine Tigi Tundar of the Beda sometimes Semjianlia Tundudilia Tigbas who use it. Bena Radang, Bena Randravadang, Dana Shingi, Pungu Javadang, then Dana Shingi, Lango Javadisulia, Tigbas J, Mingju use it. The Karasana Tigbas Lagua Yunzendi, and Kozulia, and Kurbut in the Gurche. Kurbut in the Gurche, Kurbu Kurgu Insan, Kurbu Gusegi, Semjenti Zumilia, Tigbas Laguaj. Diana Kurbudelia. Kurbu Kungen in Bajiba Balia, Kurchishung Kebayoji. When a Randra of the Zugina and pass introduce an rat in the Kurbu and Jerusalem. That in a rag Kurbudi, Chunjuma Kurtuma. And Tela Devina, Pungudan, and a Palanda de Zugi, Kurteleches Kutuare. And Tanashing Langbushigi, Kur, Chambership every day. Then do that Kur Chishungi Havayares. And Tanashingi Tiba Chishung said the Susun Gang has good to a man. The responsibility is somewhere. The Gingur Chichung. That's all the Kashiji Sosuchibu Mado Gang Krumido, and Kashiji in the Mimang Burgi, Gang Krutuaso. That in the Yon the Yard at the Indusane and a Tibachi Sade, so then Delia, Gingur Chichoro. That the Gang has a Kurtu MSR, then Jectone, Shagwar Simita.
When we talk about the Hinayana and Mahayana, or the greater and foundation vehicles, and we say yana, or vehicle, then sometimes we use the word yana, or vehicle, to refer to pack animals. For example, goats, or donkeys, or oxen. And the reason for this is that they can carry packs, they can carry loads, and so this is why they are called vehicles. And yet there is a difference in the amount of the size of the burden that they can carry. For example, goats are used as pack animals, but they can only carry a very small pack. But in comparison to them, a donkey or an ox can carry a much larger load, and an elephant can really carry a huge load. And so there's a distinction in the size of the load that they're able to carry. Likewise, with the foundation and greater vehicles, the Hinayana and Mahayana, the distinction is how much of a load, how much responsibility you are able to take. Whether it is not just your own load, but how many people's load and responsibility you are able to take. And so thus, the distinction between the foundation and the greater vehicles is the size, the amount of responsibility that you are able, the size of the burden you are able to bear.
심지어 탐지 동해도 동해 유다 차월 교지 사게 딘지에게 딱 가서 명람 지 답토마도 돼 지부 자리가 많아서 오늘은 닝타고네 다든지지 심지엔기 현대의 쿠르키에 학섬이에메 학회 삼바선한 장도 딘지에게도 닝도 예메 다들려야 라레데 여러 섬청이
And so the foundation in greater vehicles, it's not just a question of whether we are making the aspiration with our mouths or orally. May all sentient beings be happy, and may all sentient beings be free of suffering. It's not just merely that. Rather, it is a question from our heart. How do we feel in our heart? Are we able to bear the burden of treasuring all sentient beings? Do we have the courage to do this? And so this is what it depends upon.
드린주산에 또 이내야 다다게 관심나 시리 아니 지 티브 첨부 다 든지게 배 다 닝도 첨부 든지 주야리아 안 간달 때리야 가서에 로왜 트레이닝 체제 정달 체제 아니 권의 공배도 용하르지 든지 주야의 인상 아니 디 비소수 티브 첨부 최냠는 생기지미나 티브 첨부 코네기 지 최냠는 소 냠네 체바 마도베 신 지양 티브 신다기 냠네 체모거든지 처음에는 녜리아 지 가서에 소수 티브 첨부지 차버 체발라 양 녜버도 지 티브 신다서나 장도 야나지 튜모기 티브 디즈기 최들 냠네 신 튜모 올라자마 모두 들어가야지 차대요레스 단도나 튜모의 추세에 들이야 레비나 아니 튜모 뭐인바 즉 티브 첨부기 때 추세에서나 장도 다 든지 degree in the delia because leto
But as I said before, in order to carry the burden, the responsibility of the Mahayana, then we need to train ourselves in that. We need to increase our training in it. It is not merely that we, if we're practicing, someone who are practicing Mahayana Dharma, it is not merely that we only practice Mahayana great vehicle practices and not others. First, in order for us to become a Mahayana practitioner, we must actually have the practice of the other vehicles. We must also do the practices that are in common with the other vehicles. Those common practices must precede the Mahayana. And so it is only when we have achieved a degree or the level of the common Dharma practices that we will then only then will we be able to reach the degree or level of the Mahayana.
배낭에 차서는 갸솔이한디 안 드링티약 베스 사마르다지 로종 쓰기에 만디 MT버 쳔비 쳐라다 티버 충을 쳐레스 라비나 그래서 좋아 채비나 아니 참여기 단디 티버 쳔비기 쳐레스 바제 송거성도.
For example, there is the text that we are talking about today, the 8 verses of training the mind. And if I were to ask you, is this a great vehicle text or is it a foundation vehicle text? I think all of you would say that it is a great vehicle text.
아주 럽존 샤 최디 티버 쳔비 최인바디기 티버 쳔비 최인베다 고르브 최어르베스나 주원이버디 아주 럽존 샤 최디 럽존 쓰기에 만디 티버 쳔비 최인베 인상 디균제 되는 아주기 디 럽존 거디 정달 샤비나 티버 쳔비 가져데 디기 티 대인바자 고라 텍스 고란 티버 쳔비 최인베 잠시기 아술이야 티브 신비 최인비 고쳐를 위해서 좋아들 땅비나 지지는 좋아들래 Not sure 너버지 인기래스다 다가르 아야.
And so the text that we are studying, if this is a Mahayana text, then because we are studying that text, just because this text is a Mahayana text, does that mean that we are studying the Mahayana Dharma and practicing the Mahayana Dharma? We would have to say, we're not sure.
아주기 로종 샤디 티버신비 최인베 잠시기 아솔 티버신비 최인베 고쳐야 말았어. 대과토도 열었잖아. 아주기 삼로디 계시 티버 가셔야 꿀롱디 티버신비기 쉐네 셰베 다 꿀롱 데 체던 데버스 매비나 로종 샤기 최 티버신비 최인베디 아솔이야 티버신비 최
And so when we are studying the Mahayana, the great vehicle Dharma, it does not mean that we are definitely doing it as Mahayana Dharma. And the reason is that it is because of our intentions. If we do not have the authentic motivation of the Mahayana Dharma, then even though we may be studying the mind training texts of the Mahayana, it does not become the Mahayana Dharma for us.
제가 티버 시중사의 배샤를 주주 안디 티버 첨부는 디 티버 충으로스 그시 야나 미지는 주주네 거디 티버 신비셔냐면 생겨래 고티버 충을 취냐면 생겨래서 주디 드리셔는 주디 치를 주야디 지전 노데를 가지고지 대주산에 오늘 지다 주고 나눠 주고 티버 취중 취 이미자데 주디 아주에게 그런 계단 다나 신기 삼절 컨트지면 telea pa kan zu zu che kyoran tiba shimbi che inda mainsa di nan zu zu ha de ge shim shim cha de ya sam cheng do.
And so we might point our fingers at this text and say, this is a Mahayana text, or this is a Mahayana, a Hinayana text. We might see a practitioner and say, look, that person is practicing the Mahayana Dharma. They're a Mahayana practitioner. But pointing out like that, this is a mistake. Actually, what we need to do is we need to point inside ourselves. We need to point inside ourselves and see what sort of how is it that we hold our motivation? How is it that we do our training? We need to point at that. And so we don't need to point outside, but instead we need to point and look inside to see ourselves.
Today, Shabby, when it's a Lojong Yang Tower chat or something, Lojong Sadi, Suzuki, Semlia, Yargeta, Zhengyu Kongbudi, Nianxing, Jamaros, Tiniswaji, Mindusan, and Jiminji, Kashuan Zudi, Nana Zuche, Samarvataji, Focus Chadi, Ribut Dimserudi, Nalaya to Ribut Jinche. That is Jigi, Telia, Rangu Kombutella, you are 80 minutes Takwaji. Take care sometime.
And so in that way, when we talk about training the mind training, this means that it is improving our own minds. It is seeing whether we have been able to tame and pacify this wild mind, our own wild beings. And so we need to point the finger inside ourselves. We need to focus internally, focus inside, and see whether or not we are taming our own wild beings. That is what is important.
That induces the dinner, six hangudi, Danis Simjet Hamzel, Yishino Lenabe, Turn Short Jube Sambai, Dr. Jebel Ziba shows, Luzon
And so the first verse of these 8 verses of training the mind reads, by thinking of all sentient beings as more precious than a wish-fulfilling jewel, for accomplishing the highest aim, I will always hold them dear.
Figure out some chadi, Yishinodi, figure out chadi, Tizudis and resta. Kadijila wood. Yishinovus the Uma Gaswata, Gasuena Lolaya, and no such Nijore, nobody Toya Kalakavashare, Gasuena, Tarim Bushinche. And it said was Chores, Louis Zarias, Louis gave us up. That in the the Kalakavashare. The top inner. And Tom Delia Kasuji, Chabala saw Chevy Mina, Susan Deduan Karimina, Delia, Soatabas, Drew Resach. That is Kishop. That mythology in the channel that Ladun Drabi, like Drung Sorchi. That dangerous Anata, modern day summer vetaji, things out Julia, Yishin nobody, the Sub of the Yishinobu subset or Yishino base of the Yakshare of the Harchado sometimes figured out she does that it is Karabrisho sauce.
It took me a long time to figure out what's meant here by a wish-fulfilling jewel, the best way to explain this. When we talk about a wish-fulfilling jewel, then this is a jewel that's found in the ocean. It's extremely difficult to find, extremely difficult to get. You have to go on a long ocean voyage, and then you can get it from the kings of the Nagas. It's very difficult to get. But once you do get this jewel, then you just make offerings and you pray to it, and then it will fulfill all of your desires. So this is kind of like a myth. It's like mythology. And so it was very difficult for me for a long time to think, what can we use in place of a wish-fulfilling jewel?
That didn't use that. That Topsy. Did that pass some Mambutan is Bajidanazu? Namju. So, Beshadi, Moody, and Paji 이시는 뭐 서로 임라디사 배샤 예비나 아니 바지 된다 삼을 주차 없이 배저 이나래 톱코서 이나래 완전 이나래 상으로지 배샤의 예비나 바지 갈아가서 주차 없이 더디 이신 노브사데 테르제 physical somewhere 다지 material 다 진짜 중국에서 아마도 배경에 디기다 진짜 wish fulfilling journey 토고레사 상계 공부하서로다 디기사 근데 더 기지요 말에 제상 바지 다디 고라니 첼레 지구를 차대 노성도 제자다 디나로 가서스나 나란수에기 딩상 뒤줄이야 의리야 쉽지 지대야다 미디 의리 오늘은 디기 주변 라서를 지래야 이미네요 미망부지기 의디 디기 코라나는 터도 미유 코라나냐 문진다 이제로 체세 진짜가 통하네 근데 의디 왜시비지 다 자심 지대야를 또 샤대야 알아 제장 딱급들이야 가능서 심지어 탐지 아주 의를 자심 버셔봐라 타버지 심지어 탐지 자심 버지 이제 와르지 아들이라비나 대지지 갈 삼도 하루씩 예명의 삼 차를 차대 버지 용면
I thought about it a long time, in many ways, and then finally it occurred to me that in these days, usually we think of money as being like a wish-fulfilling jewel. And the reason is because if you've got money, you can do whatever you want. You can get yourself, nice surroundings, you can have all the food and clothes, you can get influence and so forth. So if you have money, then you can do all of these various things. And so that's basically the same as a wish-fulfilling jewel. So we're talking about it in terms of material terms. This is the wish-fulfilling jewel was something it could provide. It wouldn't provide happiness. It wouldn't provide the state of Buddhahood. And so, in the same way, it's like that with money. So here, if in these days we really consider money to be extremely important. Really, money is just a way to bring ourselves happiness. But instead, we identify money as being the happiness itself. And we take great interest and we focus primarily on money. And so in this verse, if we understand it as thinking of all sentient beings as being more important than money, if we think about it in that way, I think that it is easier to get our minds around this. It's easier to comprehend it.
다 이신기 노브를 하고 금세로 돼 가르잖아. 다 당기 고는 신이시. 이신기 노브 되게 under material somewhere 지 뭐별기 다지 배는 저거를 가려요 위에 수준 되버치도 대토레스 다 이미네야 지 텔레데네 지 가르에 닝지 베르지 닝지당 다는 시 싫어보다 다는 신기 디기사르보다 되는 신기 지 가지고 상계 고마사르 디수 대토가 말았어 다 이미네 심진야 심진디 어느 즉 자심을 지시 디 심진기 현된 주백이 삼바 다들에게 제목만 이거를 지규를 깨비미나 텔라데네 어느 디 가서에 잠닝지를 수업에 다 잠닝지당 다나 신기 에너지 시럽 안타나지 상계 공부한다 이제 디기 무슨 다 디기를 상계 공부하면서 어디 다 삼지가 텔레비전 도구에 인류사네 디균셀 때네 아니 이신의 노블에 하고 이신의 노블에 개발도 파버를 다 들으시죠 무슨 거 없자
So, what is the reason why why sentient beings are even greater, are more precious than the wish-fulfilling jewel? Well, it's as I mentioned. The wish-fulfilling jewel is focused on material things. It's only external things, external wealth that it is able to bring us. Because of that, it cannot give us compassion. It cannot give us prajna. It cannot give us happiness. It cannot give us the state of Buddhahood. And yet, if we treasure sentient beings, and if we bear within our beings the motivation and the conduct working for the benefit of other sentient beings, because of that, we will be able to develop loving kindness and compassion, prajna, and we will be able to gain happiness in the state of Buddhahood. And so this is the reason why it is superior or more precious than even a wish-fulfilling jewel.
다 teleyang khachre ngachu namge the sangye de simjian sa de naore da dushi da dus la bun zhumro 다 namge ngachu gi karje ursana energy 베베베는 상계라고다 전주스 말라고다 어다 진제기 가서 진제기 군주대수 야 토살이야 샤 안텔이야 쳐바피 아니 텔이야 차세 도시교하래 다이네 심진 에너지 베너지 교 가서다지 심진 디즈 도 교버르지 다나 신기 안 돌로도 서버르지 안 다나 신기 가서다 안 동바디즈지 나 가서 다들 서버르지 비나 안 가서도 요약지 가서 요약지 하나들이 서버십시 비들이 가서 텔레 요약 탑시 치아다 다나시 다들 지 가서 refuse 말아 다들 고치려 다나시 콜이야 지 야채하려 아주 지 가서 유튜브 치기야 당원에 전에 시합이면 지 심지에는 상계 사대 그러지래 배나 아주 짐버서 말아 나봐 가장 지제 나봐디 디 마드데 지게시에 말아디 어디 짐벌레 쇠베 규 짐버임베 찍으세 균 짐버임베 찍으세 규세디 찍으지게 하나요 짐버임베 찍으지게 다임비네 딘 짐버데게 아니 상계기 꾸르르시 쇠베입니다 아다 띵 아주베 자침부시 제제 제가 비슷다 차츠서 비슷해요 다이네 규세 텔레 찍으지게 한지기 아니지 베나 베나 키더지 다네 하나지 팍바르지 쇠비입니다 아주 이게 제베나 셔고 말아 규세디 찍으래 다 이미네 남바디 규세 찍으이네 남바디 지디 상계 남바이메체 지디 키다 파베 남바 인주사네 아주 남바디래 내가 아주 가서 다 규제텔에 남바디 다 계제를 진짜 같이 계시으면 다들 지주사네 키다 봐봐야 돼 이게 도살이야 쉬어요
Normally, we will place Buddhas, Bodhisattvas in a high respected place. We will make offerings to them. We will prostrate to them. But when we see someone who is not so beautiful, someone who's maybe wearing dirty clothes, whose face is perhaps filthy, we try to do what we can to get rid of those people. And we do anything we can. We refuse them or to prevent them from coming close, from getting near to us. But actually, when we think about sentient beings and Buddhas, if we think about like the analogy of clay, if we have clay if we make shapes out of the clay is still the same. If we take that clay and we make it into the shape of a Buddha, then we will put that Buddha in a high place, we will treasure it, we will make offerings to it, we will prostrate to it. If we were to take that same material and we were to fashion it into a dog or a pig, we wouldn't make any offerings to it, we wouldn't prostrate to it. So the material is the same. But the material is the same, but the form is different. One is formed as a Buddha, one is formed as a dog or a pig. And so we are considering the external form as being more important than the material. And so for that reason, we are not making offerings and not putting dogs or pigs in high places.
드네 유산에 상계 공판 주변을 세는 자도 검딜을 가르친 거라서나 상계 공판 주야다 디기 핀서 주브르 치야발라 심제나 상계 개발야 말스 원하니 디기 핀서 주변하기 퀄리티 세는 자도 규제 세는 자도 펜 지부지게 알아 상계는 아주 최고 필요하다 심지행게 딱한다지 된주버니 상계 공방 토야라야 아니 지고에 다들 송도와 린주산 대균선에 되는 아주 상계래야 다 저주선 다 안다는 이제 하단 디스들이야 자침 지번은 신기 심지행 탐제라 대단 냐바 딱한다 진지게 다 완전 고래서 알아주지 다 퀄리티 톤
And so what it is saying here is that in order to reach or to accomplish the state of Buddhahood, in order to become a Buddha, and in order to bring ourselves happiness, then there is no difference between Buddhas and sentient beings. In terms of the qualities, in terms of the material, in terms of the benefit, they are the same. And so it is as it is said, in order to achieve Buddhahood, making offerings to Buddhas and accomplishing benefit for sentient beings is the same. So normally, we consider Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and gods as being important. Similarly, we must also cherish sentient beings. We must see their qualities.
다들이 어래 강도 수단 조벤스 더니 군리면 다시 현라 사바타바 요초도 제브르 짐브르 쇼스 다디 치니 니버스나도 쇼로가 니버드제 다들 망본 되는샤는 다 상마 조르스 다진 주사네 다 제자 간다야 다디 치가 니버드제 이만 되잖아.
So now the second verse of the 8 verses reads, "Whenever I'm in the company of others, I will regard myself as the lowest among all, and from the depths of my heart cherish others as supreme."
다디 디스 가주 갈라 가버시도와 다디 타버도 지 딘규게 나와서 말 다디 주 지두산에 에너지 더니디 신다 냠바 이나마이나 나베 창와다 냠바 인사르시 현래 하보면은 현대 냠바다 인사마르시 근데 지금 사람들 등기에 인두산에 다디 저니 멤버다 사디 다디 디스 삼로 야부 땅마신 니 냠야 야부 쳔마신 안 디상게 지가르 칼처다 좀 리숑다 삼로 동난다 양 겐다 차게 냐가요.
This verse is actually quite difficult, especially in these days. Our current way of looking at things, when we see ourselves and others as all being equal, we see ourselves as being equal. We may not think of ourselves as being superior to others, but we do think that we are equal to others. And so when we think about seeing ourselves as being inferior, then if we don't know how to think about it, if we don't know how to train and practice it, then this can seem like it is just contradictory of our current culture and our current ways of thinking.
가르 강에 용데 여서는 예들 수가 되듯사네 간다지 뽑아당 아게리아 다 노르도 없이 군이 가서 참사 아게도 뽑아니 벌추 안데 저거 토네 지 뽑아당 아게리아 여아르 체모도 베스 스네 인두사네 덴덴게지 뽑아사디 다 과시미지 이내 아게 사디 반지심바 다 되지 뽑아다 나게리아 예와 체과디 개좀 차디야래 그럼 딜이야 조디 다 가르 소수 나게기 선바데 마충으로다 이제 안지 킹용당 나는 신기 전이기다 가도 시행라 캐수 선바르디 아니 지종도 다 된데기 미위임버에 삼청기
The difficulty we have these days is that we often mistake confidence for pride. We get the two mixed up. And so we often see pride as if it were confidence. And so for that reason, we are unable to distinguish our pride and our confidence. Confidence is something that we must have, but pride is something we must give up. And so it is important for us to distinguish these. So here, what it is talking about is decreasing our pride, decreasing our arrogance, and decreasing our tendency to ignore and think badly of others.
ngagel지 나바이나 여와르니 채는 바지 먼저 개매에 소식 다지 지디 방제 ngagel지 지디 님뷰 ngagel지 님뷰 ngagel사디 가르사나 베랑 아주기 녀모리아 지 가르 님부 때문에 거래 녀모리아 갑대샤베 거래 디두사는 안직 소식이 가서에 님부 때문에 거래야 녀모데 가두이네 지가서에 소소 규디 녀모를 군지 첨부 예비 인사 아니 녀모 보아사데 깔아 가보시 차대야래 제가 가두이네 안 팅망고치래야 간단 가수래야 판과 망고치 연구하래 연구하래 이빈에 근데 지 판과데 왜내 말씀이지 저니 판바데 왜내 말씀이지 안 못위네 지 가수에 녀모다 가수에 못위네 안 녀모다 녀모리아 녀모대야 녀모대베 거리아 가져다지 예 오늘지 녀모데 판바 소토를 삼바를 지당 아니지 제가 토토를 삼바를 들으시기 뽑아디 고야버지 다쳐서 녀모를 다차 빠져 녀모라 아주기 가져다 나게디 고야버서다지 녀모라 마케스 케수치지 녀모바데 다 맨안 지그치 맨안 지그도 저랑 맨안 지그도 에 삼버르지니지 가서마지 케수치하다 니슈치하르디 가서다 뉴버르디 가서다 고고여버지 드니 주산에 드니 주 텔레데 덴세 안지 님병 아제사지 그들이 정한데 안해서
So normally we identify pride as being something that we need to eliminate. But actually I think maybe we could look at pride as having two different aspects. There are two different types of pride. There is the pride that we need to eliminate, and then there is the pride that is the antidote, the remedy. And so the pride that is the remedy is when we are trying to eliminate the afflictions, when we're struggling against the afflictions, we need to think that we are able to eliminate the afflictions. Because the afflictions, we have been habituated to the afflictions for so long that they're very difficult to eliminate. And often we will be defeated in our struggle with them. But we must be able to not accept that, not let them get the better than us. We must be able, when the afflictions come, we must be able to apply the antidote and use the antidote. And so in this reason, we need to be able to have the pride of thinking, I'm not going to let myself be overcome by them, think that we can disregard them, that we can get by them, that we can defeat the afflictions and be victorious. That confidence is necessary. And so in order to overcome the afflictions, we need that sort of pride, that pride of diminishing or not considering the afflictions as being important. We need to have the ability to say to ourselves, I could live without the afflictions. I don't need to have them. We need to be able to disregard them in this way. And so in that type of antidote, or that pride that is an antidote, is necessary for us.
다 이내야 남규행 아저기 녀모네 disregard 소마르베 다디 녀모네 베시 녀주스나라도 나 케수스나다 다 결혼 면은 디스서서 다들지 삼을지야 깔 하고도 와 우토요인데 데 우마토데 오즈다 반지 가서 디스서서 다 우토요인주사네 엔사 녀모네 잡죠 과로 디지 용도 다디 가래서는 우도 연주사네 아니 장리야 다 춘쇼 가서라지 계획이 누바 서머베 계획 누버를 시험이나 안티 떡기 안지 소소야 란트야로 신고로 봐 데메비나 안 근데 가메빈다 누버지를 capture 거주사나 우도 연주 계획 누바는 개매합시 and it's somebody don't 가르쳐지 empty 듯이 나 된주산 개회 처리야 동버릇샤 나 미기왜 처리야지 껴지 마주라 저럽지 다들 따티 가르쳐나 기시 가져기 심규리야 에너지 참니지 간다라 체던 데버지다 누버 데버지 근데 지금 아주 심규리야 쉬어비 의미다 아니 신의지 가르쳐에 미개월이야지 계수시하는지 어다 결혼 면안 디서스 가르쳐 얘기 셈리야들이 자첨부 진탕자원들이 잠니지 진탕자원들이 제비인데 결혼은 마대는 디서에 결혼 땡기 민수 사람들이 뽑아도 냄배 통하네 간다 수수기 셈리 댄스를 제비인자 뒤에 통하는 뽑아도 냄배 통 계수시하는 중으로 나 이제 매비 인주사는 엔다 우드주사는 엔 삼삼 지 용어들서지 이도 가서 웅화의 체에 내가블이야 안지 차고게 하러다 이도 명화의 체에 내가 다 콘트게 하러지 들지 마도면 다 탑시 매베서 좀 자대 요새
But usually it's difficult for us to disregard or discount the afflictions. It's difficult for us to say, I don't need the afflictions. And the reason is that when we get to the end of our ropes, often we're in a situation where we have nothing else that we can use other than the afflictions. When we find ourselves in a hard place, and we're at the end of our ropes, if we don't have any power of virtue, that any of the good things that we need, then we won't have the power to be able to get up. And without any power, we have no virtue, and so we have no choice. Where otherwise our minds are empty, and so because we are empty of the virtue, then at that point we have like no choice but to rely on virtues. And yet, if in place of that, if we do have some power in our mental streams, if we have some power of love and compassion, then only at that point are we able to really disregard and to do without, ignore the afflictions. Only then can we say, I can live without you. And we can see that, at that point, we can see that if we have this, we can say to that point, I have this precious love and compassion in my mind, and I don't need you. So at that point, we have the confidence. We have something we can use. We can have something we can apply. And so for that reason, we have confidence to get up. Without that, when we're at the end of our ropes, then at some point, sometimes there's just times when the afflictions seem really attractive. And so for that reason, sometimes we get attached to them in those moments. And then there are other times when they seem less attractive and feel like we don't need them.
I guess that 방시행 아게르 차셔비나 시안에 캐도 써봐. 다 딘데기 고란 시안에 캐도 써베라시 때문에 도시미 뉴산 다 딘제면 비체 아니 가슈에 아게가 가슈에 거기 아줄이야 야게 요알아 아니 가슈에 바지시가 알았어 쉐사데 이지미지 야게 무투니 야게 드라시 로리아 무투니 베네지 디리네 선이 라바 선이니 신이 라바사비 다디아지 spiritual 토네 가서 야게요 다딜이야 나게사데기 그 가서 심부수고 알았어 가르스 와서 나게사데 가르서나 다바지 나란지 가서 신다게 연대래야 연대기야 고르츠까지 연대기야 고가서는 셴래야지 셴 연대시 예비나 데르지 가서 무튼으로 맞으면서 장도 될 캐스를 체체 연대기야 고르츠까요 거래 세상 디균전 때문에 인지미지다 가서 된저다 방생 아게서는 장도 아니 연대 탐해버지 패고 예비인도산 또 소소지 다 가서 균제 충준질 된체 다 균제 세시예배 대 균제 충준질 된체 안 소소지 가면서 인상으로 되지 나게셔야 되기 안 소소 야견 알아야 그 가서 발제 심부치게 예배입니다. 되는 유산 디 균제 때네 아주 나게 빠지 나게사 다 된지 가서 수수에게 다 되기 다 네버스는라도 배나 땅 아게사야도 김세망고 용으로 봐 수수 릭chamber 임을 되는데 나게기야 릭즈르자다 수수 미상 첨부질 된 개인들 된지 나게기야로다 다나시 연대행 나게기야로다 다는 수수 숙제에 예를 되는 나게기야로다 땅 아게기야 김세망고 사용 쓰기래 간다리야 가수에 디기 가르소여서는 아주 무튼이 야게 들어야 바지시게 되면 이 디균산데는 나중에 버도 안에 지가수에 무튼이 야게 들어 쇼리아 안 컴바이하고 하듯 계좀 차대 거라
So the pride that is to be eliminated, the pride that is to be eliminated is the pride that is disregarding and ignoring other sentient beings. So actually, pride prevents us from improving ourselves. Actually, Dharma is something where we need to improve ourselves gradually. We need to gradually improve ourselves in a spiritual direction. It's something where we need to every day we need to be just a little bit better than the previous day, and then the next day a little bit better. And yet, when we have the pride of seeing ourselves of ignoring others, then we are closing the door to developing the qualities. We are blocking the way to develop the qualities. This is the pride that we must eliminate. We need to continually develop the qualities. And if on the basis of some small, limited feature, we were to say to ourselves, oh, I'm important, and then this would prevent us, it would impede us from developing our qualities. And so for that reason, pride is something that we must eliminate. We must continually improve ourselves, and yet we will take a small quality of ourselves. Like there are many different reasons why we can feel prideful. We might feel prideful because of our social position. We might come from a big family. We might feel pride because of our qualities. We might feel pride because of our good looks. There are many reasons why we could feel pride, and yet they all prevent us from developing our qualities. And so, for that reason, it is important that we instead move in the direction of developing our own qualities.
That's the regime that. That motive man doing shana, ne? Sunny shed the share to shine Rasmare. That dream do sane, and Chidang to Zurudi, Chusu Juni Chegas. Sigdo nani drirbje inenda nani chusu juni chega bado an gala khabchesres senye gala khabchesres nyenge gala khabchesres mashi nani an khamba chunjun je dinar space marbe daji chunjun jare jesem da ine talo more comfortable more space more comfortable somewhere dadi che dizu 舒适的参照样 comfortable 恰恰你过明白什么样程度大真正就是啥呢真正越为就是啥呢但因为呢 comfortable 越为那样就是中医切个把样的休息场这样他就是切个经历啊然后主要的越为呢然后主要的这样参照主要的体你这么说哦大家干了好不嘞Tina Marjana, 200 million. Yen Chuadi got the masses in your magician. Thank it.
Now, if I were to continue going through the text now, then I wouldn't be left with much to say tomorrow. Now, the time is, we're scheduled to go until 12:30. But I think if we continue going till 12:30, then it'll be difficult for for the one who's teaching, and difficult for everyone who is listening as well. Last year we were in a smaller room. Last year we did keep going till 12:30. It was a smaller room, but this is a larger room, and it's more comfortable. And the chairs are more comfortable. And when the chairs are too comfortable, there is the danger that everyone is going to fall asleep. And so I think if we were to go all the way until 12:30, then that might be too long. And so, for that reason...
the Mare Raji Mother Kyorandish. Did two of the Tiamarwe. Oh, that two of the Marine Bekala the Gonet. 200 Leota. Kansas with the Langana Mandumagana Madi. Tamashiti Kawaskim do sell. Sorry. Yes. Better. I think better to write down the question next time. Otherwise, sometimes they will ask some stupid question. Okay.
If
Now.
you'd like to ask any questions. questions, if you raise your hand, and I don't know if you have the
Maybe front line, maybe this
and if you keep that
front
in mind,
line.
that will be valuable. So maybe we'll start with the first row if anyone has a question here, and then we'll move backward, it'll be easier to manage. Second row. Goodness, well, Your Holiness, maybe I'll ask the question.
Okay.
In the teachings between the teaching on emptiness and the attainment of bliss, how does that connect? We are seeking bliss through the practice of emptiness. And what is the connection between emptiness and bliss? And how does that convert into an experience of bliss?
Bliss. Devashimo.
Devachamore.
Oh, daddy, is already. I think that question is a little high. It's like too high that I can't reach it out. Really. It's emptiness, bliss.
You know, there is a book by His Holiness Dalai Lama called The Union of Emptiness
Yeah.
and Bliss.
Yeah.
So how do you unite emptiness and bliss?
Daddy, une di dalam sang di sanga gi jirubchi. Pashi da ko kar sanga gi jirubchi. Sanga da jwe de burchi re sam jingye. Da namjun dis go da. Daddy zo di ine shize chane. Maybe you could okay. Okay. Tene ju sane. Da shize chane nga zu ji namju dis go da nangdong ge me burchi. Da di gi she ba. Tene ju sane. Da di to na ma de shi du du shu bi ne ba ji de me ro. Ma da ya ji de dong kurang to ne ma de ga shu ya kala khabrish.
This is something that is talked about in the secret mantra. It's connected with the secret mantra and the teachings, and the tantras. But fundamentally, it's actually similar to when we talk about the union of appearance and emptiness. And I think if we talk about it in terms of the union of appearance and emptiness, then that'll be easier to understand than talking about the union of bliss and emptiness.
It would take some time, you know. Maybe better just sit down. Sit somewhere. Nandong game somewhere dashi da dos lan zhong zhong. Benang azugi dadi dusian de. Benang azugi da longye de stevi mina. TV de dawe kawliya. Da TV de yana movie de dawe kawliya. Ane pige movie dawe kawliya. Pige min jawon de snan de gare. Min jawon nang gare. Tagana singi khamba jawon nang gare. Modern jawon nang gare. Min jawon naban singi de 가셔래 미디 여러베스나 네 미디 고 다시 쉐비면 민저버지 베는 게 여번에 시가 나와 따르도 되나 왜 니주 탈이야 민저버지 여러베스라나 다데 민저버스마다 민저버지 미지 여러베스라나 에 요마나스 데 매바데 컨제 스트레스 라비나 당부 예버체 되는 아주 다시 쉐네 아니 매바차 여러베스나 이제 다시 제일 매우샤 말했어. 당분에 능듀는 아주 민다버 나요 급네. 아니 미르 주요 말했어. 당분 능유요 말해. 바 당분 능유 매비 인주산에 바도 능유요 말해. 다만 근유요 말해. 걔가 내숨도 제어를 해서. 드린 디민을 가르치는 사나 심해 자제스. 심해 자제스라고 했으나 시제요 말했어. 아주 나와 난 신지 배경을 니스 토하려야 시제 진짜 가서 나와는 시지 주요 말했어.
When we talk about the inseparability of appearance and emptinesses, like it's when we're watching TV or watching a film, in the TV or in the film, it's like there is, it appears as if there is a person. It appears as if there are houses. It appears as if there may be cars and so forth. But is there a person who's really there just as they appear to be? In our experience, if then we examine it, when we look at it as they appear, is there in actuality a person there? There is not a person. They do not exist. So what is this not being there? Well, does it mean that when that first they're there and then we examine it and they no longer are there? It's not that. Examining it does not make them go away. It does not make it into nothing. From the very moment that it appears, it is not established as a person. It is not truly a person. And so in the beginning, it does not truly arise. It does not truly abide. It doesn't really cease in the end. It's free of arising, dwelling, and ceasing. And because it's free of all of that, it is what we call as being groundless and basis. It doesn't have any basis, and so for that reason, it is not established as true.
나와 샤워 가르치는 나와도 샤용 거라서 나와 난신질이 야 말바스 나와 난신질 메두사는 다디 나와도 근데 샤용 그랬어 라위 민다디 나와도 샤 규메게면 된 샤워 말레스 규겐 요아레스 가르스는 규겐 소벌 된 다디야 규겐 소벌 된 규겐 지 말니 말 규겐 소벌 규겐 도마 소벌 되네 딘딘 조용 말데 딘데 나와 샤용 거라서 밴드디 DVD 그런 취재다 진 에너지 소소 미기 파데 에너 취재 되는 비르스 가셔 진짜겠다 규ген 처벌 되네 나와도 샤용 드린 주사네 낭 잠바서 말어 진짜기 미다도 낭와 잠시 그게 야레스 다들 나와 잠바도 야레 나와 잠바도 예비 준선 가라서 규gen 처벌 되네 규gen 담에 진짜 처용 주사 진짜 나와르시 거르지 샤도 죽어요 알았어 유견인데 처벌될 때네 나와 샤도 죽어요 알았어 마더베게 피에 나와서 유연해 되게 가서 나와 샤도 죽어 많이 유견인데 처벌된 땅 가서디 유견인데 처벌된 땅 가서 추이네 유견인데 되게 추이 삼으로 처벌되는 가서 추에 나와들이 샤워했어
So if there's not really any person there as they seem to be, or if there's we see the appearances, excuse me, let me start over. So it's as if there is a person, it's as if there are houses, it's as if there are cars, and do these appearances, as if there are people and houses and cars, do they occur without any causes and without any conditions? They do not. They do not exist, they do not come fundamentally for no reason at all. And so how is it that they appear? Well, they do not appear absent any causes and conditions. It is because of all of the causes and conditions coming together, the assembly of the causes and conditions, that they appear. And it's not just one or two conditions, it's an assembly of conditions, the assembly of all the interdependence, and then the appearance occurs. And so that appearance occurs because of the causes and conditions coming together, and then there is the appearance. And so this is just mere appearance. It is just merely appearing as a person or so forth. And so it is because of the assembly of all the causes and conditions coming together that there are the appearances. So because of causes and conditions, we have appearance. It's not because the appearance is something that is there that we then have appearance. It is instead, we then have the causes and conditions come together like the TV. There's all the machinery and technology in the TV, and then we confuse that for being the appearance. And so when we mistake these causes and conditions, then we have what we call these confused appearances.
Betena Shingi, Kumsum di Lonian Kanchambruji, Dorji Sere, Kumsum. Kumsum Koya now that Lonian Kantina, Shadia, Kandajiba, movie, Pige, projection, some of that Shadia, Tenderji, Paji Sere. Today in Jusane, Tadi, Mazu Tangi Tonda, the GB Shunjun. 다다당 아주 시에대야데 컴숭 고하기 나와 탐지엘로 가수가 집인도지 무비 따데버지 따드리제 이나데 양아주디 하고요 말해요. 가르잖아. 남준 집이 따데버 집이 따데요버디 하고요래 고 중중으로 들어봐. 따이는디 big somewhere deep somewhere 다 드림인장 디 하고요 말데 전도 안 찍버렸어. 지고 인두산에 나라서 상을 담으지 나한테 알아되네. 나와 나신지 아는 왜 니즈 털이 여러베슬라나. 나와 나신지 왜 니즈 털이 여 말해. 또 임베네 나 되게 낭잠바스마. 나와 잠시니 여레스. 니 되게 나와 나신 매바데다 낭잠바티니 가와매바. 나중에 롱을 지당게 탐해베 나올라 가르스나. 나와 나신지 매나 소소를 나와는 시지면은 다 매반으로 질링 아주 차를 시작해요. 이내야 뭐니 토라 가르쳐드려서 나와는 시지 매바대당 낭점부 예버드니 가매봐. 나와는 시지 매버인 매버이내야 고양 낭점부터 요셔봐. 나 들리지 군인 간다 매봐. 삼다토야 그렇지. 들리지 충분히 의미나 아니지 난동게 매사. 들리지 삼동토야 그래서 연구면서 삼정
Likewise, the three realms of existence, the three realms of samsara are like a giant film. It's like a big movie theater, and we're seeing a projection that is given of this. Normally, we have a small TV. But now it's like we're in this huge movie theater watching the film of the three realms of existence, and yet we do not understand that. We do not comprehend that. We often watch TV, and we watch TV. TV is small, and we understand this. And yet, when it's huge like this, we do not realize this. We do not understand it, but actually it is the same in its nature. So things appear. It appears, but does it exist as it appears? It does not. And yet the mere appearance is there. It does not exist as it appears, but the mere appearance is there, and these two are not contradictory. Normally, we might think that if something does not exist as it appears, then we might think that it does not. Normally, if something does not exist. Normally, we think that if something does not exist as it appears, we think that it must be non-existent. But it is not the case. Even though things do not exist as they appear, that does not contradict them just merely appearing. So even though they do not exist as appear, that is not contradictory of there being just mere appearance of them. And so in this way, this is one way to think about the indivisibility of appearance and emptiness.
Okay. Oh, is there one question? Yeah.
Your Holiness, in today's world, we are bombarded by messages of which promote desire and aspiration. So how do we distinguish between affliction and virtue? It seems very important to be able to decrease affliction and increase virtue. How do you distinguish between these two phenomena, affliction is virtue.
Okay. Jesus, the was going to affection.
Stand the new monte, right? Stand Tensala and Chapa, the Yaki, do Sambala and Chitan, the new mont and Gavani, the Kanichegu you met.
A new monda giva.
New mont and Gavani.
The concert. It's particular. Are you talking about particular afflictions?
Do you have a particular affliction in mind? That's what the Newmon, the cunning woods and chegure, the Geo the cunning woods and chegure, didn't canny chegu.
New can give yours. Oh, that is so basic. Basic. Tati, Tadi Karsure, Kongita Junzen Karsheso, today's world.
Tendula and Caso Chapa,
Okay. Other position to me to that. The Congress did it in some of the Gimzish that is. The Congress or that is on the Bully Dolia, Karsure, Yargeri, Gawashushi. Zobulingi, maybe I guess I'm Gawashushi. And it's got some download of Shame Davis, stuck on the Yagish which in Dusana. Zobulingi, Bentaji, me, Benadakashre, Bena Facebook, Benaji, Digi, Songe, Davada. I'm in a Marcus of the Apple, this song industry, company, Bombotis, Kashwata, boss, some big boss, some that is Loju Jella, Kandichan, Grants Haku, Yusamat, Kandi Juan Juan Jotar Church, Loju Jella, Kandicha, Grants or Lepaji, Shia Mevesuchi. Some of the Yungua. Jobushi Shinsa, as some down on da, she Kashua, Tanaji Teleaji, Sanging, Yenchi, Chang or Shia Mevici, Jewish Vichincha. And the Tolia Carriorsana, the project, new project, Mangushi, and the DDG, Sangolo, Mazulia, Nyoju, the Cousins, Quachine, Langachi, Binanda, Cambe, Cambe Nan, Junenda, Chilo, Chinenda, Quachinenda, Takanda, that is a ton of Beji, Tuganda, Sanjana, DVD to Shasha Dusanda. And to get the Chedu Standard, because advertisement is turning or Sergeant and Druin Drugi. And Drain Jusane Kanda Azulia Kokap Tigam and Takadune appear chair in Dusan. Taking Mazu the disturbed somewhere, Semlia Gugosh dance. And this is some down Tenosh Dam Yamizilia, Ranjingi. Oh, that's it, Kashwatilia. Kashwe. Attractive, so attacked. So more about that day, Chawaki has an Dado, Seba Pearuchi, Kuranjin on the other. Says a Tiguns and Tene. And Nazube, Kashwadaji, Tiguns and Tene, Mazunam Juji. When it's an Azul Goya Hari, young Azula. Debewangi, what is want, what is needed, somewhere with that deep, the truth, some truth. And they on the door. Drain do that, the use it then, Bena, the Congresswoman is here. Gewa the Miguel said, what is need Saturday, Bena Gewanda said. That the business. What is want Saturday, Miguel that what is need is that some don't order. Some don't order my dobe, Transamlia. I want said, Chippy Pinderman, that the Gogundu me to Dr. Shen. On it, necessary redo but tachi shekwa chor ba what is one decided hirash da ko jumzen shla man ta need necessary kisi man ta kanda bige ina da di kaso da kanda dinji one decided je bin da di zhor ba di junze dan ten de cha de or di jusan di junze de ne chig digi energy sim rawang me ba sanan rang do nge sam nam ji nyomo de zo chele ro de ko rawang me ba ji ga su su go are gewan de ji bi na gewe gi lo yebe ka le na tan do ji ti siang ka shwe rawang ro ji yebe che che mi gi lo yebe ka le ya gewe sam do da ka ha do mi gi gewe gi lo yebe ka le ne tan do ji mi gi chal tis ka shwe sam dong da no sam dong a ro yebe so ma the flexibility samar da ji ta tin shi de so ni ju sa ti ju se de ne ta rawang ye me sanan dang do ta na sin gi tinje ta sam to a ki lang dor cha space ye me ta je to sam pa me so to
These days, the development in the world is happening very quickly. We don't have any time to think about it. It's happening so fast, there's no time to think. We get prideful about it. And yet, if we think about it, all of the people in the world, you can think of the bosses of all the of all the large companies, the people who made Facebook, the people who developed Microsoft, the boss of Apple, or any of these other companies. If you ask them what is going to happen in 10 years, they won't be able to say. No one can tell us what's going to happen in what it's going to be like in 10 years. Things are changing too fast, and so this is just the way our times are. Things are changing so quickly that we aren't able to distinguish the good from the bad, and this is because the change is so rapid. There are always new projects that are happening and new things. And so wherever it is that we go, whether we're going out along the street or if we're inside buildings, or inside and outside, we're always seeing little TV screens with advertisements on them. You go into the toilet or the bathroom these days, and there are advertisements in there. And so we don't have any opportunity to really think, to distinguish what it is. And this is really disturbing ourselves. It's affecting and disturbing our minds. And so it's like this is just naturally, because of this, we don't really there are these things that just naturally start to seem attractive to us. And then we start feeling attachment or greed, or we start feeling miserly about things. This just naturally happens. And I think the reason for this reason is that we are unable to distinguish what it is that we need and what it is that we want. We confuse these two. And so this is like, if we can use this as like an analogy for virtue and unvirtue. So like as an analogy, we could say that what we need is like virtue. This is just an analogy. What we don't need, what we want is like the unvirtue. And so when we need something, we have to identify that we need it. We have to think about it. We have to examine it, and we have to work at doing it. We have to see, is this something that I really need? We have to see, is there really a reason for me to have this? With our wants, we don't need any reason. Just wanting it's enough. I want that. I desire that. And so that alone is enough, and we don't need any other reason. Yet with one of these, we will have control over our minds. So when we have the control over our minds, that's like our needs. It's like the virtue. When we have the afflictions, that takes our control of our mind away from ourselves. Virtue is what gives us the control over our minds. And yet, when an unvirtuous cognition, when an unvirtuous mind occurs, then we have no control over our minds. We have no flexibility or control over our minds. And so I think we can think about it in this way. Is this something that we can have control over our minds or not? And I think that we need to be able, if we have that control over our mind, we can then have a little bit of space to be able to distinguish what it is that we should do and what it is that we should give up.
Last one. Oh, yes, last.
Holiness, thank you so much for this, the depth and the clarity of your teaching. My question is about the distinction in pride that you made. You said that we need confidence, but we have to overcome pride. Now, I can see in my small experience that pride really stops me from improving because I think I'm already good enough. And when I feel confidence in the positive way, then I want to practice, I want to develop bodhicitta and so on. Now, this is unfortunately, of course, because of self-grasping and self-cherishing. This is a dualistic way of functioning. So it's like a roller coaster. What kind of attitude is most important to cultivate, for instance, in meditation? To try to leave the one slowly, the negative one, and promote the good part of it in a harmonious way.
Dila Yishnoboge Ngajeta and a Popanigi Keber Chene, and Tamoranigi Karnyamyongi on the Chena, and Ngajayana, the Yake and a Kagiore. And a Poporavena, the Caso de Nyamnanda, Comnyamnan, and a Pento Travachi Jugures, Yena and Dachita and Suzuki and Samakaka Yama, Mamboto, Dotro Gurela, Jesant and Yamnan Chedula and Da, and a Samba Kunon Gangi, Comne, the Caso Yajitang, Kobeke, Kunon Gaina, Canning was in Chekore.
How to improve it?
Lare.
Encourage.
Chitandane mix a
balance. Balance between which? Oh, okay. Confident. Oh my. Oh. 남윤이 들으시는데요. 다 가르쳐. 계획이 초알이야 가르쳐요. 냠낸 세베 걸려다 confidence 말하다지. 또 confidence 아디 조디 가르쳐다. 다 두스는 다 개와사디 인지미 땅 예수를 제비나 개와디 어고 점점 냠랜데 다 가르쳐 참상 토와 참상 막 토매망 부르지 용데 알지 그런데 로단도시 라바르도야 디 소수기 emotional 잡아온다 emotional lower 차베컬 아니지 냠랜데 소디지야 로 가르쳐지 딜이야 쇼쇼다 emotional higher지 아드제 토네 고 가르쳐 담 냠네 tempo 마샤베 인두산 땡땡기 가르쳐 베나지 수수기 emotional 된제 토네냐 콜 effect 용디가레 다가난 신기 참sam지 치게 가르쳐 된제 균센 시에네 다 가르쳐 개반로 되어다 나소용 tempo 마샤베 콜 다 이내 계시슈디 간다 continuous 말로 이시에서当然是이시에서的제제 이시에서 윤세매 봐. 제 continuous 제 continuous 말은 못현이 냠는 샤데 계속 시다를 주셔. 나 근데 못현 냠는 샤기 림밤 이시에디 라위나 아니 냠는라 텔레 지 과제 쉐를 봐지 매외서 없지. 되게 듬바데 마냥 비미나 신다 바제들 시다다 가서 냠내 바제 첨부스게 처음 해봤어. 다 간다야 냠내사디 가르쳐 오르스나. 최지 셰비나다 다나 신기 최지 년배나라 데 람상지 바가 라랭게 토알이야 게도미도 다치 최베 차버서 말해 차버서 고라 라랭게 토알에 게도미도 다데 계속십 차대도 섬정도 데마도 의미나 아니 최지에 안데 바지 가수에 냠내는 시다 숨기리시다 자르마도치 라랭 토르시다 다르마도치 데디스 바샤 아지게 아지다샤 딘데 제제 아니 최네 망보지 니 규다 라랭란 시다 자르마도치 지리산 아니 숨기디 경로 아니 최 근데 제비나 바지 평안의 시다 메딩 최라 이제라 셈바데 경로치 딘데 토네 니강에 시다 용데도 렌주산 디규젠데네 최 망보시 마시 최사데 망마마 게지마인바 최 강시에베디 소수기 심규리 자 라네 따다 딘데 차디 시비시 개체마 사브로 액티브 좀은 바지 라네 토나 따레 따지강 레가르 차디 개체마 차디도 딘데 총무입니다 아니 림베신도 지소솔리아 덴덴기 가서에 정신기 confidence 바지 용데레 something.
I think when we look at virtue naturally with our practice, naturally there are ups and downs in our practice. There are highs and lows, and this is just the way that practice goes. Particularly when we think about our emotional states. When we're in low emotional states, at an emotional low, then our practice will often also be at a low. When we're at an emotional high, then maybe our practice will be at the high. And so I think that actually this is not... and so in this way, these can have, particularly when we experience external difficulties, these can have a great effect on our practice. And the reason for this is that our practice is not, and for this reason, our practice is not yet stable. But I think what is important here is that our practice be continuous. So we've got to have belief. We've got to continue doing the practice. And then if we have that belief and we practice, then that inspiration in our practice, then no matter what happens, it'll go well for our practice. If we don't have that inspiration or that belief in our practice, then we will have obstacles in our practice as well. So how is it that we should practice? Well, if we know one Dharma, if we have heard one Dharma teaching, then we need to put it into practice right away. We need to do it while it's fresh, while it's still fresh and with us. Then we need to put it into practice right away. It's important to do this. Otherwise, if we hear a Dharma teaching and then we don't practice it, we don't incorporate it into our beings, we don't apply it to ourselves, then we hear another one, then none of this is going to help us in any way. If we listen to many different Dharmas and yet we don't put them into practice and we don't join them to our beings, then our minds will just get wilder and wilder. And so this is a question of not really bringing the Dharma into our beings and not putting it into practice. So it's not really a question of how much Dharma or how many different Dharma teachings we've had. The question is whether we are able to incorporate this into our beings and really put the Dharma into practice and do it in action in our practice. If we can really do this and make this something that we do, and then I think if we are able to do this gradually, then we will naturally develop the confidence in our practice.
드린 주산에 그 야네 양도 콤바이나 confidence 바지 양데 그래서도 베나 칼라르지 아주 칼라 베나 당부 마고 믿네요래 가르이네 갈레르지오래 unconfident 루지오래 따이네 고민 루지사네 걸리걸리 confidence 아데 고 걸리걸리 양데도 와 안 benang ngangma 당보 주주 그듯이 당보 public 계시 당보 시에 거도와 깔아 하우스다 미 만조 길 계시도 산 지 게에 마르르 치 로는 준자면은 로를 마르 친제지 다지 지 용도아 다이네고 양내양도 시에비나 안고 검시 다 뽑았어요 다 뽑아 미세 뽑았어야지 수르도 뽑아야만 아직 탑시를 깨쳐요 말이야 이미냐 다 양내양도 시에 양내양들 검침이 인도사네 근데 이제 가서에 다 뽑았어요 다도 간다지 말한게 지 시에 투야하는 지 다들 용도가 봐 어다 대다 숨버르지 냠len sa de ma 가르에 디스 냠len라 지 진장으로 채우를 장관으로 직접제 장관으로 잡세도 가르쳐 버려서나 아주 남규 지무 배나 니마지 무 충성 지가 저거보다 남규 다지 드린 가서 총 선이 가서 드린 가서 총 가서 봐 송사진 지겨워 총받지 어다 대난 신기 안주기 냠내 tel에 총송이 지가와야 말했어 드린 가서 추총 냠내 야보 가서 총도 냠내 야보 뭐 가서 총도 제제 근데 지금 지를 잡지 tel은 nenden로 제제 근데 가서 지 고랑 가서 nen데 마셔지 용화 쇼스 말람 잡잖아 고 여러 지금 말아 땅 오늘에 이용미용지 따네 에너지 진당으로 비치 진디비로 비치 지도 잡으면 오늘지 이용미용지 때비나 그 걸리가 당보도 안 받을 때 가져야지 갈아 가봐요 냠len사 남주 네 가져야 콤바 알아도 남주 콤대베 콤바 녜바디 다 냠len 치스도 남주 콤대 콤바디 콤시도디 마체지 가져 네게티브 서머로 다시 녀몬담 제대로 인도사 다 콤시 사바르지 로고로 콤시 사바르야 다 깔아버리시도 다 그뒤에디 콤바닝바티 가봐 치제 콤시 사바드 치두산 베지 카쇼에 카리네데 깔레르쇼레 다 곰자버지 지버시 곰제두산에 아주 릴렉스 치즈라두산에 안 도르지 정도 네지 릴렉스 배 흘르지 돼서 되잖아 배파 담으로지 친지 차르지 친 늘치기도 안 남준이 흘르시 검댕이지나 미세 흘르치스라고 하스게요 말아 다이는 남준 흘르 미쟁이르지리아 나 결혼 흘르치스라두산 고배 담으로지 친지고 미세디 흘르시 알강에 없다 안드린 주산에 디규센데네 다고 느시원데 디디 딘데르심 자서
So I think when we habituate ourselves to something over and over again, then we naturally develop confidence. It's like with different types of food. You know, at first you're not familiar with them, and when you're not familiar with them, but then as you grow, you don't have any confidence. Or with anything. It's like when I was first learning to speak and teach in public. When I first did it, it was extremely difficult. Normally, you know, my voice would get weaker than it normally was. I never coughed very much, but I'd show up in front of, there'd be a big public talk, and I'd start coughing a lot. And yet, as I did it again and again, then gradually I was able to develop the confidence and able to speak in public. It's not like I trained myself somewhere on the side. It's just that I did it over and over again, and I developed the habit of doing it. And from that, I developed the confidence, and now I'm able to speak in public. And I think it's the same with our practice. When we do practice, we actually have to keep accounts of our practice. We need to count, or we need to keep the accounting of our practice. Normally, when we're thinking about money, you know, we do accounting. You know, you have a business, you have to do your profit and loss every day. You have to keep track of your income and expenses every day, and you have to take interest in this. If you don't take any interest in it, and you just say to yourselves, "May I make a profit today?" and make the aspiration, you aren't going to make the profit today. You have to. It's by the process of keeping track of your income and keeping track of your expenses that then you're able to develop this. And it's like this with our practice as well. It's difficult at first. It's difficult because we have a lot of bad habits. From the very beginning, we have a lot of negative habits of the afflictions and negativities. And so it's difficult for us at first to meditate. The old habits come up and we naturally do them again. And making a new habit is extremely difficult. It's like, if you tell someone to relax, you say relax and immediately they get tenser and they get tighter. Especially if you have someone who's not good at relaxing, you tell them to relax and they can't relax at all. Someone who's good at relaxing, then, of course they can relax. But people who aren't good at relaxing, you tell them to relax and they can't relax and they're unable to be loose and relaxed. And so I think that is how it works. It works in this manner.